Today we are covering image alt text for e-commerce SEO. If you run a Shopify store or manage a website, this matters because e-commerce image alt text is not just a checklist item. It affects whether products and pages are clear to Google, shoppers, and Google Merchant Center. The common problem is that store owners fix one page at a time, then the catalog changes again. OptimizerShop treats SEO as a recurring workflow: scan, prioritize, prepare the fix, approve it, and repeat. For this topic, start by looking for the highest impact gap. That might be missing metadata, weak product titles, image alt text, schema issues, internal link gaps, or Google Merchant Center attributes. Then package the fix so it is easy to review. A good task should explain what changed, why it matters, where it should be published, and how to verify it after publishing. Optimizer Shop helps automate that weekly loop so you are not rebuilding the same SEO checklist from scratch every time. Quick update before you go. We just shipped free website SEO audit in Optimizer Shop. Any website, not just Shopify, can now get a scored audit with a weekly improvement queue in about a minute. Install Optimizer Shop for Shopify at https://www.optimizershop.com/connect. Best for Shopify merchants who want product SEO, alt text, schema, and Google Merchant Center cleanup. Subscribe to at Optimizer Shop for more practical Shopify SEO and website optimization walkthroughs in a few minutes.